Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Diabetic Retinopathy Detector. So this will be the about us section where it will give the complete description about project, and user have to upload an input image to that model. So let's upload any input image. We have to select image from dataset. Okay, let's select this image and then click on process button. So machine learning model will load and it will try to detect the diabetic retinopathy is detected with 99.35% accuracy. Let's upload any other image and then click on process button. No diabetic retinopathy detected with 100% accuracy. Let's upload any other image and then click on process button. So it detected no diabetic retinopathy detected with 99.96%. We have uploaded another image and then click on process button. So it will detect that no diabetic retinopathy detected with 100% accuracy. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.